Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing into the Google account you use for meetings. This links your calendar and contacts. Once signed in, make sure the app has camera and microphone access so audio and video work. Next, open the meeting link or enter a 10-character code and tap Join. If you're the host, choose Start Meeting or Join Now. This gets you into the room quickly while keeping controls accessible for the next steps. Once you're in, check and select the correct microphone and camera so others hear and see you clearly. You can switch audio output between device speakers or a paired headset. Make sure to mute when background noise starts. To show slides or apps, tap Present and choose your entire screen or a specific window. This prevents accidental sharing of personal content. Also use the three-dot menu for live captions and quality settings so participants have a smooth viewing experience. To finish, tap Leave Call or End Meeting if you're the host and want everyone to exit, then follow up by downloading captions or copying the chat for meeting notes. If recording or attendance data is needed, confirm those files saved to Drive. If something goes wrong, like no audio or frozen video, first restart the Meet app, then switch to Wi-Fi or mobile data and reconnect your headset. If problems persist, reboot the device and rejoin, which resolves most connectivity bugs.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.